Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Viva La Pink Posh, and for those of you who are new here, welcome. So you guys, as you can see by the title of today's video, we are doing yet another entrepreneur video. It's not a business video. Gotcha. It's an entrepreneur video. Today I'm going to be talking about and telling you guys about my sources of income. This video is not for gloating purposes. This video is just solely for the purpose to motivate you guys and also let you guys in on the ways I'm able to generate a monthly income. The number one thing, the first thing that I do as an entrepreneur, I am an online business owner. So I am the owner of the House of Glitters. It's an online boutique. I specialize in everything unique, everything pink. So if you're interested in that type of thing, you guys could definitely check it out. I'll link it below, the House of Glitters. So this is my online business. I generate an income from this business. It's a legit business. It's a corporation. And not only do I have a Shopify website, but I also sell my products on Etsy. So that is the first thing that I do. I have my own legit online business. The second source of income, number two, the second source of income that I have is actually going to be this channel, but not only this channel, the whole Viva La Pink Posh. She is a business in herself. My name is actually Veronica. But Viva La Pink Posh is a business. I generate a lot of income from Viva La Pink Posh, meaning here on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, literally everywhere you could think. Viva La Pink Posh, she generates income, which is a amazing income, especially when you're getting paid $1,000 per post. And also I get paid from affiliate links from my Viva La Pink Posh. Number three is actually going to be my third business, which is Influence Beauty Llc. And this business is where I actually generate income from helping people, as in business coaching, creating courses I have, and also I have ebooks. So one-on-one coaching, courses, and ebooks. This is Influence Beauty Llc. So that is my third source of income. So my fourth source of income is actually going to be Amazon FBA. I do have products that I sell on Amazon FBA. I stick more into the beauty niche, like press-on nails and makeup. I sell a few clothing pieces also, and also watches, but I like to keep it nice and simple on my Amazon FBA. These products have been doing really good for me, so I just keep these products in stock, but not in my house. I keep them on Amazon FBA, which is where I send these products over to a Amazon warehouse, and they actually fulfill and ship out the orders for me. So that's another way that I generate income. And I like Amazon FBA because it's less work for me. The only work I have to do is labeling my products, but once the products are labeled and they sent to the warehouse, then everything else is on Amazon. Stop! So now that I got your attention, go ahead and subscribe to my channel to support me. This helps me to keep creating these type of videos to help entrepreneurs like myself and entrepreneurs like you. So hit that subscribe button and become a part of the notification gang. I love making these type of videos, helping you guys, and all I ask is that you guys subscribe. Back into the video. Okay, so now into the fifth way that I generate income, which is going to be Amazon again, but this is Amazon KDP, and pretty much this is Amazon publishing. I have all of my ebooks on Amazon. If you guys are interested, of course, I'm going to link everything below. So you guys can not only purchase my ebooks on my Influence Beauty Llc website, but you can also purchase them on Amazon. And I actually just published my first children's book on Amazon KDP. Again, I'll link everything down below. So yes, Amazon KDP, which is Amazon publishing, it's another way to generate income. So if you guys are interested, definitely look further into that. I like things where I can just set up and it will make the money for me. I'm sure you would like that too. Number 6 is going to be something that I actually do offline. Number 6 is going to be buy, fixing, and flipping, which is what I do with my husband. He's really the bone and the back behind buy, fixing, and flipping because it's his passion. Like how I'm passionate about creating content here for you guys, he's passionate about real estate, and I just help him. I give him a hand. I'm very internet savvy and like paperwork savvy, so I definitely always help my husband with the buy, fixing, and flipping and real estate investing. So that's another thing. That's what my husband does. I'm gonna try to get him on here on my channel talking to you guys more about real estate. I think that would be really cool if we have like a couple sit down session, because my husband is very knowledgeable. You guys just don't think that I'm on here just for talking and like I only know how to create content. There's a lot of things that I know how to do. I'm very knowledgeable and business savvy, real estate savvy, you guys name it. I'm very knowledgeable in a lot of things. So just don't think I'm just a pretty face and I'm here just influencing you guys. I'm more than just Viva La Pink Posh, which is what I tell you guys all the time. Okay, so into the next. Okay, so number 7 is also going to be something that I do off of social media, which is commercial real estate. Me and my husband also have a building rental. We were doing Airbnb at some time, but we decided to sell the house that we were renting out as an Airbnb. We sold it. And I'm actually happy that we sold it, because when we were doing the Airbnb, we did not have a property manager. So we were literally doing everything on our own, cleaning the property, managing the people, everything. We were doing everything on our own. And I found it to be very time consuming. So we still have our Airbnb profile, which we do plan to use in the future. I would just like a better location to host the Airbnb. I have a 6 apartment complex, which is amazing. This is actually our first apartment complex, but we do plan on getting another one. We're actually looking at a couple of them now. So my husband's super excited to add more apartments to his portfolio, and I'm super excited too, because as a couple, everything we do as a couple. We always help each other and we always do everything together. So yeah, that is going to be the last thing that I do to generate income. I just want you guys to know that always keep your mind open to new opportunities. If it's something that you love, something that you do with a passion, it will not feel like a job and it will just come easy to you. I feel life is not supposed to be hard. You're not supposed to feel like you're going out of your way to work and to generate income and to not be happy. If you're doing something, just do something with a passion. Be happy about it. Make sure it's something that you love doing and it will just come easy. Like you'll be happy like me. As you guys see, I love putting out these videos. I swear if I could record every day and post every day for you guys, I would do it, but it's kind of hard because again, I do have 3 children. So yes, that's gonna be it for today's video. As you guys can see, you don't have to have one source of income. As you guys know, the average billionaire has more than 5 sources of income. So you guys, we need these side hustles. So you guys can review this video and look into the things that I do and also try to do them for yourself. So that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope this helped you guys in some kind of way. Maybe it gave you guys an idea like, oh, I'm gonna do Amazon FBA, I'm gonna check that out. That's what the purpose of this video is for. So guys, until next week, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Stop. So now that I got your attention, go ahead and subscribe to my channel to support me. This helps me to keep creating these type of videos to help entrepreneurs like myself and entrepreneurs like you. So hit that subscribe button and become a part of the notification gang. I love making these type of videos, helping you guys, and all I ask is that you guys subscribe. Back into the video.